Students, today I have an activity for you. Let's start. We will arrange the letters. Topic: alphabet from A to Z. Today we will find out letters alphabet from A to Z from cutouts. Let's start. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Wow! Start reading. A, B, C, D, E. Now we will find out F. F. What comes after F? G. And the next letter H. Capital H, small h. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. In this way, you will arrange all the letters alphabet from A to Z. Let's start the reading. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Students, hope you will have enjoyed this activity a lot. Thank you.